if the Islam is the religion of peace. So why some people do violence is in the name of Allah, in the name of Islam? Some people who wear Islamic attribute, such as hijab, but always mocking the other people, doing bullying in the name of Islam, or maybe there's a terrorist killing people, and they said it the name of Islam. What is your opinion?
I believe that no practicing Muslim will ever kill any innocent human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim. So if you analyze, one verse of the Quran is sufficient to prove the allegation that you're laying. Quran says in Surah Ma'idah, chapter 5, verse number 32, that if anyone saves any other human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, if any human being, Muslim or non-Muslim, saves any other innocent human being, Muslim or non-Muslim, unless it be for murder or for creating corruption, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. So any human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, kills any other human being, unless it be for murder or for spreading corruption, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. So killing any innocent human being in Islam is a grave major sin.
Okay.
It is number 2 after shirk. Shirk is the biggest sin in Islam. Number 2 is killing an innocent human being. And the verse continues that if anyone saves any other human being, he saved the whole nation. There is no religious scripture in the world that I know of today which has this statement. So if you say that Muslims are killing innocent people, they cannot be Muslims. They are not practicing Muslim.
Okay.
So what the media does, so there are some Muslims who are not practicing Muslim. The media picks up these Muslims and portrays as though they're exemplary Muslims.